Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel Arce, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, I have not so good news to share with you guys due to a recent tropical storm that is heading our way. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys about an overview of what I'm gonna do and my thoughts towards this, because we are in the path of it, where it stops. Of course, you guys know we live in Florida, and it's heading towards Florida, and so that's not good. And so let me go ahead and jump right into this video. So Ultimate Gardeners, tropical storms are very common here in Florida due to us being sort of the first state in the ocean, and so tropical storms usually hit us the most, as well as hurricanes. And so this is not a surprise to me that a little tropical storm is coming our way. Tropical Storm Elsa was formed overnight, and then for some reason I am nervous of it upgrading to a hurricane, which is something I do not want to happen, but there is a percent chance of it increasing to a hurricane, because here in FL, any tropical storm that's hitting our way usually is upgraded to a hurricane, and then it hits us, whether it be a hurricane level 1 all the way to 4. The strongest hurricane we have had yet was Irma, which was number 4, category 4, but nothing else stronger than that. But who knows, it's the unexpected that what could happen. So there's plans we have to make in order for us to be ready for what's to come. And so the first thing in my mind, and my first main priority, is our house and us. So of course, sheds are gonna be put up if the tropical storm is upgraded to a hurricane and starts moving our way. Everything's gonna be secured. We're gonna talk to our cousins and everything, see what the plan is. And then my second priority is, of course, my garden. My garden hasn't been through a tropical storm or a hurricane at all ever since we created it. And so it's nerve-wracking, because once we created my garden, and then here comes a tropical storm heading our way, and I don't know what's yet to come because it's unexpectedly, coming our way. And so, to be honest with you guys, I do not have a plan yet on what to do, because it's so many new things that were added to the garden, and yet here comes a tropical storm, and now all plans have to be changed, things has to be moved. It's a whole different story compared to when I had a little tiny garden. But first things first, we know that the greenhouse is in the greenhouse, the plastic covering will be removed for, the air circulation to go through a bit more easier. The Magi Dome is an insecure structure with one little tiny breeze. The little wooden slabs, one of them disconnected, and so I'm planning to actually disable that completely, and then once it's over, bring it back up. And so the shade house has been there through a lot of things, so it's fine there. All the plants, I don't know what to do with them, to be honest with you, because if you guys may or may not know, on Saturday I have planned to do a plant sale in front of my house, but pretty sure that's gonna have to change due to this unexpected weather coming our way. And so it's nerve-wracking because I have a ton of plants and I don't know where to put them. We do have a specific place that I'm thinking to fit all the plants in. Fingers crossed that everything comes out good, because when we're talking about tropical storms or hurricanes, we're talking about deadly weather and damaging weather, which could cause a lot of damages and unfortunately a lot of deaths when it comes to hurricanes. And so thank God that we haven't got hit yet very badly, and I'm hoping we never get hit badly. But who knows, it's unexpected of what could come. Tropical Storm Elsa did form overnight, and its path is heading our way, and so we don't know yet. We usually plan once we see that the tropical storm is coming our way, actually, or if it's upgraded to a hurricane and still heading our way, and then they actually say that it's not moving anywhere else, it's coming our way. That's when we start planning ahead of time, and that's when I start panicking, knowing what's gonna happen to my garden. I haven't known any gardeners out there who have gone through hurricanes and have a big garden, but it's different for me because I just updated it and renewed my entire garden literally like last month, and so who knows, finger crossed everything comes out good. I'm praying that this turns another way, and so fingers crossed everything comes out good. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on what we're gonna do. So let me go ahead and wrap it up for you guys. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. I am very nervous for what's to come, but we'll see. And so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.